Junk kills me. Should I make coffee? So I decided to make my coffee and I had to use this mug again. This is easily in my top favorites of all my mugs. It might actually be like number 2. I love the little Care Bears, and I just made like a regular coffee today. It's the time change, I'm sure. I really don't know, but I am tired. And I think I've been sleeping more because I've got the extra hour essentially. So I don't know. I popped into a Dollar Tree the other day, and this is the haul from that, but I actually had like no plans to kind of go in there and do my normal stuff. I actually ran in there to get like things I needed for the house. I wanted to restock like toothbrushes. I needed some more cleaning products, and all of those things I've already put away. So I even got like a new trash can. I got trash bags. I got some more cream sodas, and like I said, all that got put up except these things in this bag. So, but yeah, I even just grabbed a basket. So at one point I had to go grab a cart because my basket got way too full with everything that I was getting. And the only reason why like I was trying to keep it just like low is because it was a busy time during the weekend. And if I'm being honest, I will usually avoid Dollar Trees on the weekends because I'm just gonna hold up the line and it makes me feel incredibly guilty. So anyways, let me just show you guys what I did pick up that I could not get myself to walk away from some of these things. And some of them are repeats that I've already bought as well. So I'll just show you. I went back because I told myself, I'm like, if I find them again, I want to get a duplicate because I want to give this set and I want to keep the other set for myself because I love coloring. But so I did find it. I found the Hello Kitty Christmas, which you guys saw me haul not too long ago, like last week, I think. And then I picked up the Grinch, which is also my favorite. So I'm glad that those were there. I picked up a bag of pens. So I got some more big pens, and I grabbed another one of these little tin cans. Also a repeat, I just hauled it for the first time the other day. Has a really sweet gingerbread theme. I love the color palette on it. It's mostly brown and red, but then you get like these little like green details, which I think is so adorable. And I wanted one for my craft room. I wanted to like keep it on my little desk and fill it with like little things, or maybe like my glue sticks and my tools. And then the other one, I want to like create in a gift basket and do like a little gift for somebody. I got another one of my Scotch tapes, and I also picked up these fill-in words. Also, I've already gotten these as well, and it was another thing that I told myself if I saw it, I wanted to pick it back up. These are gonna be great for stocking stuffers. So that's what I'm gonna do with these. So the other set are mine, and I have them in my nightstand, but this set I'm gonna do as like stocking stuffers. All right, then I picked up these, you already know, and I found more of these, which I was really excited about. They're the Spa Luxury Candy Apple Foot Mask. And this is what the foot mask looks like. I think it has little hearts, no, stars. Has little stars on them, stocking stuffer. And then I also found it in the vanilla bean. I believe I'm missing like the vanilla bean hand mask or the apple hand mask, because they also have the matching masks for your hands. So these are for the feet, they have them for the hands, and I don't think I ever got them for like the hands on one of them. And then I got the Be Pure foot mask. This one has little hearts on it, which is really cute too. So I got that. And then I picked up the sticker puzzle. This was another thing that I've already hauled, and I told myself if I saw it, I wanted to get a second one of these, so super cute. And I got more of these little bags, the Holly Jolly with that, and then I also got the little gingerbreads. I wanted to use the tags for junk journaling too, so yeah, and then has a little Santa on that side. And then I picked up the Crafter Square Jumbo Glitter. I have this already. I also have this in a gold option. I was hoping I was gonna find these in like a red or green. Maybe it's out, comment, I don't know. Let me know what you guys are seeing, but I want the Jumbo Glitter. So I found that, and let me just put all this back in the bag. I desperately need this coffee. I am just feeling my energy is low today. So put that up, and then I picked up more of my lunch bags. If you haven't seen how I do my Christmas advent calendar, go check it out. I'll link it down below. So good. So I need to find those immediately because I want to do them again this year. Okay, then I found this at checkout and I had to grab it. This is by Crown Jewels. This was $1.25. This is a gratitude journal. At first I was like, oh, it just says choose gratitude. But then when you look in it, I was blown away. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree knows what they're doing. Like this is the first sheet, which is your 30-day challenge. And so that every day you can like write what you're grateful for. And this stuff is really, really good for the mind too. And then there's quotes you can put in here, and then more slots. I think you get like 30 days worth. I don't really know if that's how it works. Well, here's another 30-day challenge there. I don't know how it works, but other than obviously every day you can come in here and write down like what you're grateful for. So I loved that. Then I picked these up. Yeah, the store was super busy and I was just like, I gotta get these. They're the LED projectors. So on the wall, it's gonna just have that look. This one's gonna be a green light. This one's gonna be a red light. And unfortunately, I have to like put, what do you call it, batteries in it. But maybe I'll insert like a clip so you guys can kind of see it. But I thought these were really cool. Another brand new item, a huge name brand. This is Coleman. This looks like a little mug, but it's a citronella candle. And it has a white pine scent. It burns up to 50 hours. You know, so you're doing some like winter camping or anything like that, this would be a really cute pickup. Or, you know, it's your husband and to like, do y'all have a deer release, hunting? Like those are like the things I think of when I see something really cute like this. So there's that. And then I found another one of the Tic Tac Chewies. This is the Fruit Adventure. And I think the other bag that I got is a different set of flavors, right? I thought so, because when I looked at the bag, I was like, oh, this one looks more red. And I thought that my other bag looked more yellow, but I don't know, maybe I got the same exact one. But I've never seen Tic Tac do a chewy anything. So I love that. But really the star of the show are these gift bags. And I actually was on my way to go back to this Dollar Tree this morning, but we have weather advisory, hail and things like that, and maybe possible tornadoes. So whenever we get alerts like that, I don't want to be out and about. I do not want hail damage. It's such a pain. And so I did not go to this Dollar Tree, and all I keep doing is thinking about these bags, but I will be there bright and early this week to find these, or to get more of them. But I just limited myself again because the store was super busy and I already had like all of my cleaning products. But look how good this bag is. Oh my gosh, North Pole Postal Service Express. And then it says ship date December 24th. Are you kidding me? I need another one because I definitely want to cut apart some of this bag for junk journaling. I think this part right here is super cute. So there's that. And then of course, these bags, Dollar Tree does so many of them and I just feel like they're so underrated. I mean, $1.25. Gift bags are pretty pricey most places. This one has a plaid like detail. And I just love that Santa is looking at his list. I love this little snowy scene. Love that it's kind of giving, I don't know, dawn, dusk, but I'm here for it. I love this bag. But it was this one that has me in the biggest chokehold of my entire life. Do you see that green foil? The Nutcracker. I'm sorry, what? Dollar Tree just like put this out like super quietly, like it was no big deal. This bag is incredibly stunning. You're welcome to pause. Hold on, let me just kind of remain still for you. Yeah, like the rocking horse, the whole gang. You know, like it's so freaking adorable. So I did snag 2 of them, but you know how I am. I like, my brain does this thing where it's like, oh, we love it, we need 15. Why? Why 15 though? So, yep, they're doing that. They're putting out the most beautiful Christmas things. I feel like my next Dollar Tree haul is probably gonna be all Christmas related. So if you're not already subscribed, you can definitely do that. It's free. And you can also turn on the bell and YouTube will notify you when my videos post. I like to post the same time every day at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So, except for Fridays, most days. But you never know. You never know if I'm gonna throw up a video on Friday. I did like work out my schedule for the rest of the year. And I know a lot of you really loved like my Christmas stuff from 2020 and 2021. So I actually did a deep dive the other day and I looked at all of my videos, all of my content, and I'm definitely bringing all of that back, like those same styles and things and hauling in front of a fireplace. And so all of that's coming back and I have all my videos planned and I hope you guys stick around, hang out with me this holiday season. And thank you so much to those of you who have been here, who haven't left. You guys literally keep me here in front of the camera. I get to do this because you watch me and because you let the ads run. Like that's the deal. That's how YouTube works. And I'm just really appreciative for that. So thank you so much. And definitely come back tomorrow. Tomorrow though, is going to be like a mixed haul. I'm gonna show you guys things from like Target, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, Pop Shelf, Five Below. So if you're interested in that, that's gonna be tomorrow's video. So hopefully I'll see you there. Bye.